Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 LDV T60 dual cab ute. Stock reference number 4836. This shape runs from the 7th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an SC28 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. SC28 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, perfect rear bumper bar with a park sensor. Tow bar, factory fitted, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Camera tight, right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, and right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black vinyl center console lid, automatic 6-speed manual shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.